Almost done and just realized I didn't start recording. I'm using the Juvia's Place gel liner to show you what and how the brow changes the face to something completely beautiful. So it's like a transformation. I already do the other side, but we will darken it a little bit more. We are going out again today. I'm doing my lips. Can't sharpen it no more. This is the Juvia's Place gel liner. I don't know if they make it anymore, but that's what I have on my brows. As you can see, it's almost done. This is all I'm using today. We are going out. Let's get out. This is me. I have my bag around my neck, keys, shorts, my shoe. I'm standing on one leg. Me and this one, I'm in the garage. I am not sure what it is. Okay, I am in the garage. I am leaving. I'm never centered, you understand? So I'm trying to figure out if it's just me, if it's my phone. I don't know, but we're heading out. Let's go. We are heading out. Ta-da-da-da-da-da. We are going somewhere, people. Oh, somebody's lost. Are we lost? Okay. Somebody's lost and they stop in the middle of the road trying to figure out where to go. Just pull on the side. Pull on the side and then figure out where you need to go. Just a little drive in the Sunshine State. It's the road is kind of empty over here, which is really nice. I mean, I'll get to them going faster. Okay, we are at Target. There's a lot of noise. The birds, where are they? Birds on the trees. Birds on the trees. Let me see. Do I want this cat? This cat look like a dirty mess. I don't want that one. I will go and get another cat. I'll roll my cat in. This is my cat. I am taking. See-doo-doo. Let us see. Is it okay? Yes, it is okay. It's clean. I can't see anything. But we are Target. Super Target. Maybe you can see that. I don't know. We're walking to Taji. They used to say Taji back in the day. Now, everybody say Target. Oh. get your hair. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, what's on my list? I have something else on my list. Here, this for the avocado. First design essential. Okay. Oh, here's design. Natural shea butter in Target. Stuff I've never seen before. That's the one I saw. Super Big Papa. Lots of brands. Lots of brands. Target have a lot of stuff. Target get a lot of stuff. I haven't been in the hair section in a long time. Nice. Yeah. Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? I don't have one of these for women. Oh, how come I don't have it? That's the one. Let's see. Home Goods, Best Buy, Joann's, Sally's, Five Below. Don't know if you can see it. I'm just stopping by and checking out some stuff. Nothing long, nowhere long. Sally's. I cannot see. If you can see, that's good. Ta-da-da. I am done running my errands today, and I am heading home now. I am hungry, so I am going to stop somewhere and get something to eat. You're hearing the AC because it is hot today. Today is a hot one. So I think I'm gonna stop at Wendy's, pick up something to eat, and then go home. Let's see if I do that. I just left Wendy's. Can you guess what I got? It's delicious. I got something from Wendy's. Wendy's! Beautiful. We'll see what I get later. I am back from Target. This is my Target haul overview, plus the Bounty paper towel. I got the organic peanut butter, creamy. I got Repair Rescue Sally Hansen nail gel, or nail repair, whatever they call it. It's for my nails. It is super strength. It's a super strength define because I want to put it on my nails. I get the multi plus omega 3 for her gummies, vitamins. Then I got this curl defining gel by African Pride. And then I got the Aunt Jackie curl boss. nail polish remover because I'm almost done. This is the Q-Tex Care. Then I need body wash, so I got the Vino Stress Relief body wash. I've never tried it. I saw it has lavender, so I was like, oh, okay, I'll try that. Then some malta, and then I got something so I can scrub the shower. Already spray it. And then from Wendy's, Wendy, what did I get from Wendy's? This is the roasted pecans. This is it's upside down, the story of my life. It is the pomegranate vinaigrette salad dressing. One woman show here. And I got the grilled chicken upside down again. I tell you, the story of my life, upside down. Apple pecan salad. So this is what I'm gonna have for lunch. It is past lunch, but I'm hungry. I've been out all day. I just want to uncover it so you can see what it looks like. It has cranberries, apple, grilled chicken. I think this is goat cheese, if I'm not mistaken, or blue cheese. And then a nice green salad underneath. I'm going to wash my hands so I can eat. This is the Bounty. I got the Bounty prints because it was cheaper than the plain white Bounty. So gotta try it. A dollar more, a dollar less. Yes, I will save on that. Thank y'all for watching. I'm ready to eat. Have a wonderful, fabulous, glorious day. I will see you all soon. Bye.